no, no, hey, no, 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 hey, no, 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 hey, hey, no, hey, no, 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 hey, no, no, no.
Word.
Come on. I'm sicker than your average. I'm in kiss damage on instinct. Make your phone do shit. State dedicators. My Detroit players. Kids for my hooligans in Brooklyn. That's it, right.
It's cleaning day. So, cleaning the bathroom. I hate the smell of bleach. My mom uses so much bleach and I hate it. Say what's up. Hey.
You just missed it by a 6.
What do you mean?
166.
What do you mean? I said once. Oh, I didn't tell you? Oh, 1666?
You just missed it by 1.
That's what I said when I moved in.
Oh,
Our address is 166. And I always thought, like, thank God we ain't got that extra 6. My dad just said the same thing.
Huh?
This is my dad, everybody. Say what's up.
How y'all doing?
How y'all doing? He used to drink. He doesn't drink anymore.
Who said I drank? Hey, what's up, girl?
I did. How you doing? So this is the front. He's never been to my house. This is the first time he's here. This is the living room.
Who this room?
This is my room.
Cool. Hey, what do you think, boy?
You see the picture right there?
Hell yeah.
Woo!
That's the 4 munchkins. I don't know how I did it, but I did it right.
It's a little bit of a mess because we're cleaning, but yeah.
That's that mic? I've seen the mic once before.
You see my mic before? Where I make my raps.
Hey, that's my hat.
No, that's my hat.
No way.
That's my hat.
Let me see.
Yours is a size smaller. Yeah, yours is.
No signatures.
Yeah. This is my hat. You trying to take my hat?
Where'd you get this from?
Oh, I've had it for a while. Look at my brother's ball. Look what it says.
Yeah, that's from that movie. The guy that, yeah. That's exactly from that movie.
Yeah. Wilson!
Yep.
So, just tell them, Daddy. My dad drank since he was, how old?
8 years old.
8 years old. He stopped drinking, when did you stop drinking?
I think about October of 2017.
2017. Me and Isaiah, or sorry, Isaiah and I are here at this like park. Pretty much.
It's not a park, it's a bridge.
It's a bridge. Yeah, it's a bridge.
I think I'm bleeding out my foot.
No, you're not.
Can I vlog?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Don't drop it.
Oh my god. How big is that bridge?
We're gonna only go to the first bridge and then we'll come back. Okay?
Why? Where's the second bridge?
It's far. You wanna walk all the way there?
Yeah.
You wanna walk all the way to the second one.
Yeah.
It's cold.
I'm being careful with the camera. Feels like we're in the woods. If we're in the woods, wow. That was a long walk.
Are we there yet?
Nope.
We're almost there. There's the tower.
Let's go to the tower.
What? That's a far walk. You're not even tired?
I'm not tired.
All right, well let's go to the tower then.
I want to vlog now.
All right, hold it.
Wait, where's the sun?
You want to vlog the sun?
Oh wow. Vlogging is fun.
You like vlogging?
Yeah. Have you ever ate a cricket?
No, and I don't want to.
I do. See what it tastes like.
Like crunchy.
Oh, I'm gonna eat one of those one day.
There's the
Mom,
next
look
bridge.
at my shadow. I'm long.
I'm longer. My
Okay,
lungs.
the second bridge is more longer than the first one.
Right? The second bridge is bigger.
Yeah,
It's not more longer, it's longer.
longer.
Longer. How do you say longer in Spanish?
La nieta.
Just add an A to the end of everything and it's Spanish.
La nieta. One time you caught a bird?
No. One time I was at the beach
And you caught a bird.
and I saw a bird come out of the water with a fish in his mouth.
Wow.
Yeah, it was crazy. Why isn't this thing?
Was it a shark or a baby shark?
No, it was a fish.
I got it.
Here we are. Woohoo! Ha! What's up, y'all? All right, so I just got home from work, and I had a little surprise while I was at work today. Isaiah came in and brought me some flowers. So let me show them the flowers Isaiah gave me. Try not to get your tetas because I know you don't want me to get them in the video. So these are the flowers that Isaiah got me. How pretty are they?
You should say that in the video though.
Yeah.
Because if I don't want them to see my test, I'm not putting it here.
And he also got my mom some flowers.
Mama.
He did it the right way. Isaiah. Say what's up to my vloggers. Say what's up, vloggers. I mean, what's up, crew? Say what's up, crew. Say what's up, crew.
I'm too hungry.
Say what's up, crew. No, you're not. Anyways, so Isaiah's here chilling. He's eating some, what are you eating?
Fish.
Fish? Not fish. These are onion rings. You like onion rings? Since when? Yeah, he's tired. Aw, thank you, mother. Okay. First you can, so first.
First you can?
First you can.
Oh, goodness.
So she can vlog. Okay.
She's been hanging out with you.
No.
From you, from my sister.
It's from my aunt. If she watches this, I got it from you. She used to always, like, her transition word
For
was
you
like,
can go.
for you can go, instead of saying, so I can go. She would say, for you can go. And then I started saying, for I can, for I can. My mom hates it.
I used to say for why.
For why? Yeah. Like, that doesn't make any sense.
And my dad says if you're gonna go,
Iffy man. Iffy you don't.
My dad says days.
Days.
Yeah, like today's. Instead of today.
Yes. Check this story out. I was at Kelly's dad's house one day and his English is okay, but like his grammar, like when he tries to spell, he cannot spell anything right ever. So I'm sitting there and I'm looking and he has this paper and it's like Windex, right? He tried to spell Windex on the paper. He spells it W-I-N-D-I-X. Windex.
You know he put a for sale sign on his Jeep? Oh, I got it. And it says for sale. And then it says 1999, I think it says 1992 Jet.
G-G-E-P.
Instead of J and G.
Oh my god.
J-E-P. Oh, he my boy put a for sale sign once. And he didn't know how to spell it all. And he wrote Fosay. F-O-S-A. Fosay. And then I had to fix it.
He probably walking around full say. Well, what did I come here to tell you guys? Oh, mommy, I remember what I was gonna say now. I remember what I was gonna say. No, so like I hang out with people, right? And every time I'm like, if I'm shut up. Every time I'm hanging out with my friends and we're like drinking. So like, you know when you take your first sip and it like starts like overflowing, and what did you teach me how to do? Put my finger in it, right? What? What?
Put your finger in it? No, put your finger on it.
I put my finger inside the whole thing. Works way better. I swear. What? That's the way you taught me how to do it. Like it foams up and I'm like, oh, and they're like, oh my gosh, drink it, drink it. And I'm like, no, just put your finger in it. And then they're like, what? Shut up, mommy. So I do, I put my
wonder why guys, when they have their beer, they hold it like this, you know?
Like
but
what?
When they first open it, no, listen, when they first open it
Yeah.
and they're drinking it, like they first open it and they take a sip or it starts to foam up,
Yeah.
the guys will be like,
yeah.
they like put their thumb in it.
You
pop it
see?
open.
Yeah, but
Like,
I was talking
damn,
about
that's
the
not a booty hole.
Like this. Like on
Well, yeah, but I'm talking about a beer bottle, mommy. Yes. I can't like tap it, like put my finger on the
I guess I would do
top.
the same thing. I would do like this.
Yeah, that's exactly what I do.
Well, you made it sound like you
Well, because like, no, I just kind of like put it in there, I guess. Yeah, whatever.
Look.
What? Tequila? Oh, Cuban bread.
Which one? Oh, maybe. I
Yeah,
forgot who's in the middle.
put your finger in it.
I put it in the middle. I mean, I put my thumb in it. I finger in it. Had a little bit of this.
Yeah, she's been drinking.
Show her what it is.
Show her? We're gonna show her what it is. Hey, hers.
Today's. That's what's on the menu. That's today's. That's on the. That's what's on the menu today. I'm gonna say today's special, but that makes sense.
She is drinking. Oh, but you gotta explain. He's from another country.
I was kidding.
Okay.
From another
sorry.
country.
Sorry.
It's not player here. You seen that one?
No.
You haven't seen that one?
No. Let's go with your story. Okay.
Alright, so he's Dominican and he does not speak English except for a few words. Random words. And then I was having a conversation with him and then I let, you know, people, American people, or people who speak English say anyway a lot.
Yeah.
Anyway, when they continued the sentence, I said anyway to him and then I started talking Spanish. And later on he goes, look away, he goes, anyway. And he stopped. Oye, ¿qué es lo que significa anyway?
Basically saying like, what the heck does anyway even mean?
Even though he was using it in a sentence.
Anyway. He
Because
didn't
he
even
saw
know.
me doing it like when I start off with this, or change the subject.
Yeah.
Anyway, he did. Anyway,
Anyway.
peace out.
All right. Story time's done.